They want to speak English in daily life, but you don't know what to say. Then don't worry, in this video I will tell you simple daily English sentences. You can just use it immediately. And we don't have any grammar rule today, just practical sentences. Let's start with part 1, basic English sentences. You should try this. You should attend the party. Wait for a moment. Come here. Switch on the lights. Let me check it. I didn't understand. Now part 2, conversation sentences. What are you doing? I will talk to you later. I need your help. That's a good idea. It was a wonderful moment. I like this. Now part 3, very useful sentences. Listen carefully. Give me some time. Do your homework. It's different. It was very difficult work. I don't know. Now part 4, real life situations. I can't talk to you now. I am busy. I am at party. This is not right. I am coming. Let's start the work. Let's start the dinner. I am leaving now. Now part 5, confidence sentences. I can do this. I have faith in you. You are a trustworthy person. I know you very well. I know you are hardworking. I am improving. I am learning every day. I practice every day. Start using these sentences. These simple sentences are enough to start. And comment done if you will start using these sentences. And let me know if you want part 2 of this video. Subscribe for more such videos.